Good evening. With respect to ease of doing business 2019, Andhra Pradesh retained its first position. Every year, these ranks are released by central government, and this ranking is based on how exactly each state is implementing business reforms in its state. Now, if you look at the year 2018, the ranking was released in the year 2019. Andhra Pradesh topped the list. And for the year 2019, the ranking list was supposed to be released in the month of in the month of March 2020. That has been released today. Today is September 5th, 2020. And on this particular day, the report and the list has been released, and Andhra Pradesh is at number one position. But if you look at a state which is at number two position, there is a tremendous jump as far as the state is concerned, and that state is Uttar Pradesh. So there is a drastic improvement as far as the implementation of business reforms in the state of Uttar Pradesh is concerned. And at number three position, you have Telangana. So first position is Andhra Pradesh, second position is Uttar Pradesh, and at number three, you have Telangana. So, but what exactly, you look here. The central government will look into how exactly each state is implementing the business reforms. But why the business reforms are important? The business reforms are important to attract the investments. Maybe the domestic investments or the foreign investments you need to attract. Especially after this pandemic has been started, and we believe, entire world believes that the pandemic began and the virus began in the country called China. That is the reason why most of the countries are, expressing their willingness to withdraw their investments from China, and they want to move to some other nations. And when they look at other nations, the bright destination for them is India, and majority of the countries and majority of the companies, they are negotiating with this India. For example, if you look at Japan, even Japanese companies are present in a large number in China, but most of them are willing to get back. And Japan government itself is supporting them to withdraw from China and look for other destinations. So this is the right opportunity for India, and this is the right opportunity for the states within India to attract these foreign investments by implementing the business reforms. So you should be able to provide the permissions in a quickest form, and as early as possible they should be this permitted to start their business, start their production. There should be no issues with this issues like electricity, transportation, telecommunication. Everything should be provided to them at ease, so that those companies will be looking for those states where they will be getting such type of support. Meaning there is a competition among the states in India, where each state is striving its best to attract the investment. And very soon India is going to become a global hub with respect to the investments. With respect to this, I have the information, and I would like to share that information with you. Kindly have a look at this. And the heading for today is Ease of Doing Business in India. This ranking is based on implementation of business reforms action plan. Business reforms action plan. And second point, Andhra Pradesh retained its top position in ease of doing business ranking for the year 2019, followed by Uttar Pradesh and Telangana. Meaning Andhra Pradesh is at number one position, Uttar Pradesh is at number two, and Telangana is at number three. Government of India is making efforts to streamline business regulations through a single window system. Labor law reforms, reforms in the Disputes Acts, etc., to make doing business quick and economical. Kindly look at this very clearly. If any company from any country which wants to invest in India, they want the business should be started very quickly and it should be economical so that they will get attracted towards India with for the purpose of investing in India. And look at this, the spirit of self reliance during the COVID 19 pandemic will help the nation emerge stronger. We observed very clearly how India troubled and the people got troubled, business was troubled because of this pandemic. But our spirit of self reliance, with the help of that one, the nation is going to emerge much stronger. Look at this. With respect to India, India's steadfast commitment to reforms. If you look at entire India, in entire India we are implementing these reforms, and that is evident very clearly from the steady climb of 142nd rank in the year 2014. Meaning, in the year 2014, at the global level, the rank of India in ease of doing business, it was 142nd. But for the year 2019, we climbed to the rank of 63. Very important. Where was 142 and where is 63? Clear, very important. And if a state has a high ranking, it does not mean it is superior to others in any way. Kindly look at this. This is the statement that is given by the government today. If the state has a high ranking, it does not mean it is superior to other states in any way, but efforts must be put in by all the states that will count. And last but not least, it is only for your information, last point, these results were supposed to be announced in the month of March, but because of the pandemic, it has been delayed and the results have been declared and the ranking has been released today, and today is September 5th, 2020. And today is a big day, a very auspicious day, Teachers' Day, and I very humbly bow my head before all the teachers in the world for imparting their great knowledge to the students. And I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much. Take very good care. I'll see you in the next class on Monday. And I wish you all a very happy weekend. Thank you so much once again.